I'm here with Darlene Markin, of course, medical esthetician
Hi.
from Spa Utopia.
Good morning.
Welcome back.
Hey, we're doing something fun today.
I know, and everyone's gonna think, what am I doing, baking or what?
I know. This I want to explain to you today. This is our paraffin treatment that we use at Spa Utopia, and it's called Perfect Sense Paraffin. Perfect name. It's a medical grade paraffin.
So different than what people do when they're doing their canning or whatever, the kind of wax.
Definitely. This has 11 vitamins. There's minerals in this, so it's going to be an excellent treatment for your hands. It's therapeutic for the hands.
All right, and I've already got one already started.
You do,
right?
and I'm just going to quickly get this started
Sure,
here.
You bet.
This kind of works in the same way as a hot shot would work, okay? There's iron and magnesium in here, and I'm just going to close this compression unit, but before I do that, I'm going to just show you, we're doing your hands today.
Right.
So here is a little glove that we put into our little container here, and what's going to happen is we have a invigorating essence that we're going to be applying.
Yes, because I can already smell mine. It smells beautiful.
This has peppermint, it has spearmint, there's a little bit of mandarin in here. You can hear a little bit of a snap. I'm sorry about that. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to add it, and what it's going to do is it's actually going to, in this compression unit, heat this up to 100.
Can I hold that for you?
Yeah. Yeah, thank you.
Yep.
Kind of just
So
stuck
it's
here.
important by how much it heats it up to, because you were saying at some places people will actually dip their hands into the wax, but the wax isn't actually hot enough.
Yeah, and it's unfortunate that that happens. What happens is there are places where they will pour, actually dip their hands into paraffin. And Dawn, you don't want to do that.
I'm thinking bacteria.
Your paraffin never gets hot enough to kill any surface bacteria. This here reheats up to 165 degrees Celsius, and your normal paraffin will only heat up to 122.
Right.
And so you're going to see a little bit of steam coming here in a second.
Now, the benefits of this kind of treatment, I sort of alluded to the fact it's a little bit like the fountain of youth, because nothing says, you know, youth like a good-looking hand.
Exactly. And do you know what? As we're coming into the holiday season, many of us are going to be wearing open-toe shoes for our parties or upcoming events. It's time to give our feet an excellent hydration. And with the paraffin, it forms an occlusive barrier. So we're going to kind of just treat this hand here while that one's going right there.
Let's go this way right here, just to get a nice shot of it.
So I'm just going to put a little bit of lotion on here. So this lotion, once the paraffin is on, has nowhere to go but deeper into your skin, okay?
So it's really about moisturizing.
It is, but it's also going to stimulate circulation. This is great for somebody that suffers with arthritic pain. It's going to be soothing your skin, and does that temperature feel okay there?
Yes, that feels fine. So now we should point out too, you had talked to me off camera a little bit. You'd asked me, was I diabetic? Why did you ask me that?
Do you know what? If you were a diabetic, we would just make sure that the paraffin wasn't super hot.
Okay.
If you had an open sore.
But hot enough to be killing bacteria still.
You know what? This is a medical grade paraffin.
So it's already.
This is a one-time use. There is no cross-contamination with this. And if you had an open sore or a lesion, we wouldn't do paraffin because this is forming that occlusive barrier. We wouldn't want that infection going deep into your skin.
Now this feels beautiful. I have to tell everyone at home that it feels like I'm just in a nice warm bath, but thick enough to also give you that comfortable feeling where you just feel warm and cozy right now.
It is.
So now this one, how long would we leave this on for?
This would be on for about 8 to 10 minutes.
And you can get this done while you're getting other treatments, right?
You can, during our signature hot stone facial, during exclusive manicures, pedicures. It can also be an add-on to any of our treatments. And it's unfortunate. Had you been at Spa Utopia, you would have already received a massage
Now, of course, we've already had the one already on there.
Certainly, let's take this one off here.
So there we go.
And it just slides off all in one piece.
Perfect. And there it is. All comes off, no problem. Mark, it's like the fountain of youth. What do you think? Spa Utopia, get a nice little hand paraffin treatment. Men can get this done too.
Oh, certainly, anybody.
And feet too. I don't know about whole body.
I just stick my whole body in there.